Hey YouTube, today's video is going to involve these two filters here and algae and your pool being clean and dirty. What I have is a Intex pool with the 1500 gallon per hour pump, and it uses the A or C filter. And during COVID, everybody ran out of pool supplies, so I picked up what I assumed was the exact same filter. This is the Intex filter. This is a Summer Waves filter. And what I found out, that using this filter, your water's dirtier, and the algae tends to grow faster with this filter than it does with this. And how do I know? Okay, first off, both filters are not exactly the same size. This filter here is the Intex filter. This is 4 1/4 inches across. Summer Waves is 4 1/16 across. The opening on this is 1 5/8. This one's 1 9/16. If you've ever used a Summer Waves filter in your Intex filter cartridge compartment, you'll know that you got to really squish this in there. It fits, but you got to push really hard down on it. And this one flexes a little bit more versus this one. This one, the Intex, has 71 pleats. The Summer Waves has 70 pleats. The Intex weighs 154.1 grams, where the Summer Waves weighs 125.9 grams. That tells me that the filter media that they're using is a little bit thinner. And if you look closely on the Summer Waves, I don't know if we're going to be able to get there and see it, but if you look, you can see the fibers in through here on the Summer Waves, and on the Intex is a lot tighter. Now, if you can't see that, that's all right. I'm going to show you with the flashlight. Here's the Summer Waves. You can see how it illuminates the inside of the Summer Waves. And here is the Intex. It's a lot darker inside the Intex. That tells me that the material is thicker. So what I was having a problem was, in the beginning of the summer season, I did use these Summer Waves. And as soon as it heated up, that's where my algae problems came in. The water was getting hazy and dirty. And I'm dropping the shock, I'm dropping the chlorine. I got my tabs in there. We're vacuuming, we're doing everything we can. And I finally realized that it turns out it's the filter that was causing my problems, and not actually the chemicals and everything I was using. The moment when I finally realized this was a few days ago, I took one of these out and stuck one of these in. Didn't change a thing. Ran the pump like normal, and I leave my pump running all the time. I don't shut it off. The water became crystal clear with the Intex filter. The Intex makes a much superior filter than the Summer Waves. So if you happen to see these and you got an Intex, don't use them. And if you have a Summer Waves, add more money and buy one of these. It's going to make your pool a lot cleaner, and you're not going to have the algae problems as you do with this one. Because like I said, I did everything and I couldn't understand why. And I didn't have the problem the first year I had the pool, because I had all the Intex filters. It's when I started using these is where my problems started. So with that being said, give me one of these. If this was informative to you, leave some comments below. Tell me if I'm right, tell me if I'm wrong, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks. Bye.